Alright, what's up guys, man? It's your boy Lance over here. Hey, here's a rainy day out here. We're gonna take a little road trip to see my man Herb in his shop, his little wood shop and everything. So, as you guys know, I've been running fifth scale on road, you know what I mean, at course racing anyhow, up at Wagner Park. And it is so essential to get your suspension dialed in, man. I mean, it's so essential to get your suspension dialed in, especially if you're on a track like the one up in New Jersey that we run on. It's a bunch of turns, a bunch of sharp turns, sweeping turns, all that. So it is crucial to get that suspension set up correctly, so that you can actually enjoy your time around on that track. If not, if your suspension and stuff is not set up for that track or any track, let alone, you really don't get the full potential of your machine. So you guys remember when I made my own setup board a while back from my MCD XR5 from Cardinal Racing, of course. I made my own and it did good. I mean, the setup board did good. It, by far any means, it was made out of MDF board. I didn't have a lacquer over top of it to seal it, but it served its purpose. You know what I mean? So I was happy with that. It got my car dialed in for the most part up there at Wagner Park. I mean, really good. I am really dialed in really good. Had leveling feet, all that good stuff on it. So it served its purpose. That being said, my buddy that I work with, his name is Herbie. He actually does woodworking. So I said, why not, reach out to him and see if he's interested in, helping me out and making me a setup board. So I hollered at him. He said, yeah, I got you. Just send me the parts I need and I will get it together for you. So we are heading up to his house and his workshop, get a little glimpse into, what he does and how he can help me and possibly some other guys out there that might be interested in some of these boards. So, like I said, let's go for a ride, and I'll see you after the intro. Houses. All right, so we here, man. There it is. That's the name of the shop right here. Sith Lord. Yep. Woodworks. There it is. There go Herbie. We up in the shop right here. Look at this. This is some professional stuff right here. Herbie. What it do? What it do?
How you doing, bud?
How you doing, man?
All right, how's it going?
Yo, I'm here to pick up the setup board, man.
There it is. All ready for you.
Oh, look at that. Got the fresh stain on there. Everything lined up, every 1 inch increments. Got my level in there. Now, you do realize you are going to trust me to put this in this thing? The leveling feet?
Sure. I mean, I can do it for you if you want.
I mean, I'm scared to drill into it. So what kind of wood is this?
It's oak.
Oak wood.
So it looks like that. This is what it looked like when we started.
Nice. And then you got a fresh stain on there.
Yeah. Early American, that's what it's called.
There it is. See that?
Yeah. And I put 3 coats of polyurethane on it for you.
That's what's up.
So you can drip all kinds of oil on it.
Yo, now this is our master control guy right here at the job. So this is just his hobby right here. And I know he's getting all kind of look at all these tools. Yo, this is what I'm talking about right here. And then look, I don't know what's this again. This is
Darth Vader's castle. You're starting that.
That's what it's gonna look like.
Yeah.
Little project.
I had to engrave the rocks
Got you.
And I'll put some lights in for the lava. And red, of course.
That's what's up.
For the lights there.
Okay.
Benefits of being an electrician, right?
Yeah, you know, got to do all the light portions of it and all. Awesome, man. Got the drill press over here. Man, I love seeing like everybody's hobby and stuff, man. Look. Now this is next level right here. Man, got every clamp.
You gotta have.
You gotta have the right tools, man.
I'm making tables for my wife. Oops.
What kind of tables? Like dining room tables or something?
Yeah, like coffee tables. They gonna look like that.
Sweet.
And I think there's one at the top. So yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
So we're gonna put all the boards together, and that's why I need big clamps.
That's what's up. Man, this is sweet though.
I figured this was easy. I put this together for you when you asked me.
Thank you, man. I appreciate that, yo. I really do appreciate this. We'll be using this for Wagner Park racing. Also, I'll be putting my Bajas on here for drag racing also. And shit, just general bash. Just, I mean, if your setup ain't right, you know, you ain't gonna be right. So this is beautiful. Beautiful, man.
It turned out nice.
Yes, it did.
Cutting these little squares in where it's
I can't believe you did this by hand.
all by hand.
I can't believe you cut that joint by hand. Each one of these, like, when I did mine, you guys saw when I did mine, I just did a permanent marker stripe down there. And this man did it with a router. And
Put a clamp on it and just go back and forth.
that's crazy. I thought he had like some kind of CNC machine you was gonna do that. When you asked me if you wanted to do 1 inch or 2 inch increments, this turned out beautiful though.
Give you whatever you wanted.
Yeah, you did it. You definitely did it, man. Beautiful. So, what do I need to do to put those feet on there?
Oh. First, we gotta trim it down a little bit.
Okay, that stud, because I know.
Yeah, 'cause it's a little high.
Yeah, you know I don't want to drill that far through there.
No. How's your season going?
It's going pretty good, man. We had a race yesterday. It was hot as hell out there. I swear the devil was on the driver's stand with us.
Mm-hmm.
So it was so hot out there. They actually lowered the mains. They actually lowered the mains from 20-minute mains to 15-minute mains because it was so hot.
Really?
Yeah, and then plus they were talking about thunderstorms, so we was able to get it in. We did the 15-minute mains. I did pretty well. Like I said, came in first place. There was another new guy that just came out there named Rob. He came out and he was fast. All right, so I guess I don't want to mess this up. So I guess something like inch and a half, whatever.
Works for me.
Yeah, something like that. That's crazy. See, you know, I'm use on tape measure type stuff. This man break out a special tool just for that. Yeah, that should be good. So what is this to lock it down? This little board here?
Yeah, I use that. It's got the tracks and everything, and you put these clamps on.
You probably made this too, didn't you?
Yeah. I put these on there, and it'll hold your work down.
Okay. So you could even use that for your drill press to lock it down in place.
Yep. More out than you need your assistance.
Yep, I got it.
It's funny, I was just telling my wife this morning that I wanted a new drill press.
Why? What's wrong with it? Time to upgrade?
I want a full size one.
Oh, okay, I got you. I make a good apprentice, huh?
I never worked with you as an apprentice.
Huh?
I never worked with you as an apprentice.
And so you press these together and then glue them. I guess you glue them, then press together. This is all tongue and groove, you said, right?
Yeah, it's tongue and groove. You can see right there.
Yep.
You know, one piece, because I'm an idiot. So this piece is not tongue and grooved.
Okay, so that's just
use the biscuit joiners.
Okay, biscuit joiners.
And
Gotcha.
glue it all together and
Man.
plane it down and then sand it so it's kind of smooth. I could do it like
Cause nobody goes to the malls anymore, man.
Nobody goes to the malls.
So now I can take it, level it off, even though I have it on my keyboard stand where I can actually level it on the keyboard stand. But if I'm somewhere out in the field, I can take it and actually level it off. That's it.
So I'm a big Star Wars fan. That's
Yep.
where
That's where the Sith Lord.
Sith Lord came.
I had to ask my wife about. I was like, "What is Sith Lord?" She was like, "That has to do with Star Wars, Lance." I'm like, "Yeah, I don't know about that."
Dumbass. My daughter came up with the name and the logo.
Your daughter came up with the name what?
The name and the logo.
And the logo? Okay. So what made she's a hardcore?
All my girls are.
Huh?
All my girls are
Okay.
Star Wars fans.
And you know my son is deep into that joint now, so
Oh, with Mandalorian and
yes.
you got, you know, anytime you get anything from me, you get stamped.
Yep, that's it. Yep. Yeah, that's good though. Like that. Appreciate that, Herbie.
Absolutely.
And like I said, I had to come here, let everybody see this shop, and see how it goes. I wish I could have been here while you was making this joint, but
Yeah.
I've been running around doing races and getting here, getting there, and you know, living life. Didn't get a chance to get out here while you made it, but this is perfect. Awesome. All right, guys, we got it all done. We're gonna be ready to get on this road. Storm's coming in. Appreciate it though, Herbie.
Yes, sir.
And,
anytime.
You'll be seeing more of him later. I know we're gonna get some more projects with him, so
Yeah,
I'll catch y'all on the next one.
Anybody wants anything, you know, contact you and I'll make them.
All right, cool. You hear that? So, like I said, if you drag racing, course racing, bashing, whatever, holla at me. You know how to get in touch with me, and we'll get you one of these boards made up for you. You know what I mean? Up to anything. I mean, a lot of possibilities and stuff. So, just let me know. We'll get you hooked up with Herbie, and good to go.
All right, cool.
All right,
Thank you.
catch y'all.
All right, buddy.